बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह. Second year students, today we are going to start next topic of chapter number 12, that is application of electrostatics. Electrostatic is important short question. What is electrostatic or define electrostatic? When this question come in paper, after writing its definition, in second point write its application's name. There are two applications given in your book, photocopier and second one is inkjet printer. Photocopier, other name is xerography. Xerography is combination of two words, zeros and graphy. It is Greek word. It is derived from Greek word. Zeros mean dry and graphos mean writing. It is Greek word for MCQ. And now define what is xerography. The copying process is called xerography. Xerography is a copying process. And always remember its working principle. Xerography work on the principle of dry writing. These are points for MCQs. The photocopier machine is consisting of many components. Number 1, drum. Number 2, aluminium cylinder. Aluminium cylinder coated with selenium. Aluminium cylinder coated with selenium. While selenium is a photoconductor, photo mean light, conductor is the material through which electricity can pass easily. So selenium is it is not a conductor, it is a photoconductor. It means when it exposed to light it becomes a conductor, and when it is in dark it is an insulator. So that's why selenium is known as photoconductor. It plays as a role of conductor when it is in light only. Okay, selenium is photoconductor, it is insulated in dark and it is conductor in light. Now working principle of photocopier or xerography is to understand working principle in detail. Understand this diagram. As I have told you, photocopier machine consisting of many components like lamp, lens, drum and heated rulers, tuner, etc. The main component of photocopier machine is drum. This drum is students made up of aluminium and this is coated with a layer of selenium. The drum is main component of photocopier machine. This is drum. It is made up of aluminium and aluminium is a conductor. While it is coated a layer of paint, it is coated with a layer of selenium, and selenium is a photoconductor. Remember it, right? To understand its working principle, a positive charge is sprayed over the selenium coating. A positive charge is sprayed over selenium coating, and positive charge remains on selenium coating as long as the selenium remains in dark. Understand this point? Positive charge is sprayed on the selenium coating and positive charge retains on the surface as long as the selenium remains in dark. But when this selenium surface is exposed to light, it becomes conductor, and when it becomes conductor, electrons from aluminium flows toward this selenium and neutralize it. Neutralize means positive and negative charges cancel each other and neutralize it. Okay, so next process is when this drum is exposed to an image. For example, this is a document which is to be copied. On document there are two types of images points. Wording is dark while empty area is as a bright. So when drum is exposed, this drum is exposed by applying a light on this document, then this lens converge this reflecting light and exposed it to the drum. So now when drum is exposed to an image of the document to be copied, the dark and bright areas according to the document's writing appears on the surface of selenium. Understand? The dark and bright areas appears on the surface of selenium. The dark area retain its positive charge. Dark area retain its positive charge, whereas bright area becomes conductor. Understand this point? I am repeating again. When drum is exposed to an image of any document to be copied, the dark and bright areas are produced on this drum, on the surface of this drum. Dark area retains its positive charge because it behaves like an insulator, whereas bright area becomes conductor and loses its positive charge due to neutralization. Clear? The positive charge image of the document is produced on the selenium surface. The positive charge that is stayed here due to dark area is produced on the selenium surface. Okay, student? After that, when dark and dry powder called tuner is given with negative charge and is sprayed on this drum, from here. This tuner is dark and dry powder having negative charge. So this negative charge deposited on positive charge, it stick to the positive charge area and the tuner is transferred to the sheet, and this tuner is transferred to the sheet, to the empty sheet on which document is to be copied. And after that there are heating rulers. The heated pressure rulers melt the tuner, because tuner is a dry powder, melt the tuner into the paper to produce a permanent impression of the document that is to be copied. Clear? I am repeating complete process again. This is a drum. It is made up of aluminium. It There is it has a coating of selenium. Coating की इसके ऊपर coating जो है, एक paint है, वो selenium क्या है? Selenium is a photoconductor. Photoconductor mean understand? जब उसके ऊपर लाइट डाली जाती है तो वो एक कंडक्टर बन जाता है, और जब वो उस पर लाइट नहीं फॉल की जाती तो एक इंसुलेटर के तौर पे बिहेव करता है. ये वो डॉक्यूमेंट है जिसकी हमने कॉपी करना है. लैंप से इसके ऊपर लाइट फॉल करते हैं, वो लाइट फॉल करके रिफ्लेक्शन का फिनोमेना यहाँ पे होगा. लेंस जो है उस लाइट को अपने पास कंडेंस करता है, कन्वर्ज करता है, कन्वर्जिंग लेंस है, और कन्वर्ज करके उसको इस ड्रम के ऊपर फोकस करता है. ड्रम के ऊपर दो तरह के इमेजेस डॉट्स बनते हैं. जो राइटिंग होती है वहाँ पे ब्लैक एरिया शो हो जाता है, और जहाँ पे राइटिंग नहीं होती वहाँ पे ब्राइट एरिया शो होता है. ओके, एंड दिस इज़ सिलेनियम सरफेस. तो सिलेनियम सरफेस की हमने कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स अभी स्टडी की है कि सिलेनियम जो होता है वो डार्क में पॉजिटिव, व्हेन सिलेनियम इज़ इन डार्क इट इज़ बिहेव एज एन इंसुलेटर, और इसके ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज जो है वो रहेगा. और जो ब्राइट एरिया है वो क्या करेगा, उस पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज जो है वो न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाएगा एल्यूमिनियम की वजह से. राइट, और जहाँ पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज होगा वहाँ पे राइटिंग होगी. फिर हम यहाँ से जब डार्क और ड्राई पाउडर जो है उसको टूनर से हम स्प्रे करेंगे. दिस इंक और ड्राई पाउडर हैज़ ऑलवेज नेगेटिव चार्ज. और ये नेगेटिव चार्ज जो होगा जहाँ जहाँ पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज होगा सिलेनियम सरफेस के ऊपर वहाँ डिपॉजिट हो जाएगा. और यहाँ से जब पेपर आएगा जिसके ऊपर हमने उसको प्रिंट करना था तो उसके ऊपर वह इम्प्रेशन आ जाएगा. अभी परमानेंट इम्प्रेशन नहीं है, ये टेम्प्रेरी इम्प्रेशन है ये. तो जैसे हीटेड रूलर्स की इसके ऊपर इंक डिपॉजिट होगी, जो ड्राई इंक है, और फिर हीटेड रूलर्स में से पास आउट होगा पेपर. आपने देखा होगा फ़ोटो कॉपियर मशीन से जब पेपर जो है आउट होता है तो वो थोड़ा हीट अप होता है, वो हीटिंग रूलर्स की वजह से होता है। ये हीटिंग रूलर्स क्या करते हैं, हीटिंग रूलर्स जो है मेल्ट करते हैं टूनर को पेपर के ऊपर और एक परमानेंट इम्प्रेशन देते हैं डॉक्यूमेंट का। दिस इज़ कंप्लीट प्रोसेस, वर्किंग प्रोसेस ऑफ दिस फोटो कॉपियर मशीन, राइट। नाउ सेकेंड एप्लीकेशन इज inkjet printer. It is a type of printer in which electric charge is used for its operation. For further information about it, it is a introduction. It can produce around about 3 colored copies for it is with the help of printhead. And printhead has 3 nozzles of different colors and 1 nozzle for black ink. These all 3 and 1, these are important MCQ. It can produce round about 3 colored copies. For this printhead has 3 nozzles for different colors and 1 nozzle for black ink. These are for MCQs. It has also many components: ink supply, tank, pump. There are 2 electronic components: charging electrodes and deflecting plates. There are how many electronic components? There are 2 types of electronic components that we will discuss in next in diagram. And there is a gutter, charging control system, that is computer. Look in this figure. To understand working principle of inkjet printer, there is an ink supply. This is a pump which push this ink in upper direction to the nozzle. This nozzle or printhead has a small hole through which ink ejects out in a fine stream. When ink eject out in the form of a fine stream, this ink is controlled by any operation system, that is was controlled by any computer. There are 2 electronic control systems: charging electrodes and deflecting plates. चार्जिंग इलेक्ट्रोड्स का फंक्शन क्या है? अगर आपने जो प्रिंटर है जहाँ पे कोई जो डॉक्यूमेंट के जो है कोई वर्ड नहीं है, वो खाली है, वहाँ पे इंक आपने नहीं पहुँचने देनी पेपर पर, ये पेपर है, तो ये चार्जिंग इलेक्ट्रोड क्या करेगा, इस इंक के जो पार्टिकल्स आ रहे हैं इसको एक चार्ज प्रोवाइड कर देगा। जब उसे चार्ज प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा, ये डिफ्लेक्टिंग प्लेट्स हैं, ये उस चार्ज को डिफ्लेक्ट कर देंगी, उसको ये चार्जिंग प्लेट्स हैं, ये उसे डिफ्लेक्ट करेंगी। ये जो आपको एक गटर नज़र आ रहा है, इस गटर के अंदर, और अगर हमें पेपर के ऊपर कोई इम्प्रेशन है, इंक को हमने पेपर तक पहुंचना है, तो फिर क्या होगा, ये जो चार्जिंग कंट्रोल है ये उस पर इंक को कोई चार्ज नहीं देगा और डिफ्लेक्टिंग प्लेट्स उसे गटर के अंदर डिफ्लेक्ट नहीं करेंगी, बल्कि उसको उसके पाथ में कोई हर्डल नहीं आएगी और वो डायरेक्ट जो है पेपर के ऊपर हिट करेगा, जहाँ पर जो भी इम्प्रेशन आना था उसको वो वहाँ पर प्रिंट कर देगा। ओके, लिसन अगेन। द प्रिंटर ejects a small stream of ink when shuttling back and forth. Its system consisting of back and forth on the paper. When ink is coming out from this small nozzle, it breaks up into extremely small droplets in the form of droplets, छोटे छोटे drops की form में. These droplets are then passed through the charging electrode and deflecting plates, as I have told you, right? When the printhead of the operating system is passed over the region of the paper not to be inked, जहाँ पे कुछ लिखा हुआ नहीं है, then charging electrode is kept on and ink droplets are given a charge, as I have told you. The deflection plate deflect these charged ink droplets into the gutter, ठीक है बेटा, into the gutter, and so they are not allowed to reach the paper, as I have told you. And when charging electrode is turned off by charging control by this panel, then uncharged ink droplets strike the paper, right? It can also produce colored copies for this printhead. For this printhead has at least 3 nozzles, as I have told you in start. So this is the working principle of inkjet printer. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.